My name's Anthony Allen, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you and show you how to set up a Skrill account.
It's the one and only Anthony Allen.
So as I just mentioned in the introduction to this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your very own Skrill account. I'm going to take you through this whole process step by step so that it can be made easy for you so you can set it up with ease. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that you can stay notified about new videos that become available on the Anthony Allen channel. Channel? Now without further ado, I'm going to screen share Skrill with you. I'm going to take you through the whole process, and that's coming up right now. When visiting the Skrill website for the first time using the referral link that I'll leave in the description, this is the first screen that you will be presented with if you are visiting the site on your desktop or PC. Remember to watch this entire video as we will also be covering the mobile application version of Skrill. The first thing you will need to do when visiting via desktop is to accept cookies. There's a cookie notification at the top of the screen. We're going to click Accept Cookies. When we have a look at this Skrill welcome page, we can see that it says Pay and get paid instantly. Manage your money quickly and securely with a digital wallet used by millions. And then you can see that it has a high Trustpilot rating at a 4.5 stars, almost a 5-star rating. We are now going to click on Register. We are now about to register our Skrill account. You can see that there is a form here where you need to fill in your first and last name, your country of residence, which currency you are currently using. For myself, as I'm in the UK, the currency we use is Great British Pounds. You would then fill in an email and a password for your account. You will not need a bank account in order to open a Skrill account. So let's get started. First I'm going to fill in my name, my last name. Of course my information is sensitive here, so this will be censored. Keep your email and password combination to yourself and do not grant access to those who you would not like to access your funds or Skrill account. We can also have a look at the Skrill Terms of Service and Privacy Notice. If you do not want to navigate away from your setup page, you can hold Control and right click to open the Terms of Service in a new tab. We have now successfully opened the Terms of Service in a separate tab. This means that when you navigate away from the current page into a separate tab, you will not lose the progress that you've made with your sign up so far, and all the information will still be on your sign up when you go back to the previous tab. It's also valid to mention here that there is cryptocurrency and other different terms of use within Skrill, as Skrill offers cryptocurrency purchasing and selling as part of its service. Of course, this is a digital wallet, and you can also refer a friend. There is a VIP program and a lot more. If you would like to look through these terms of service, you can click through this section here, and that will take you to the part of the document containing that information. We'll talk more about the cryptocurrency that you can buy and sell via your Skrill wallet later on in this video, when we take a look at the mobile phone application version of Skrill. You can send and receive payments from Skrill seamlessly. And I've got a lot more very exciting information in this video about the Skrill service. Remember to watch this full video to find out more. For now, we're going to navigate our way back to our previous tab to continue our setup process. Once you're happy with the login details and your register details that you've entered, you're happy with the terms of service, you can then click Register. If you're following along, go ahead and select Register to start your Skrill account. Congratulations! You have now successfully opened your very first Skrill account, and you now have a digital wallet. But before we look at the mobile phone application version of Skrill, let's have a look at what we have available here. Pay online. You can pay online hassle-free on thousands of sites using Skrill. Buy and sell cryptocurrency directly in your Skrill account. Send money to any Skrill user or bank account. Get a Skrill card to pay and withdraw cash wherever you are. Remember, if you have any questions about this step-by-step tutorial of how to set up your Skrill account and a first look at Skrill, then you can comment down below, as I'm very active here on YouTube. Just before we move along and look at the mobile application version of Skrill, there's a little bit more to look at here on the desktop mode of the application. At the top of the screen, you can see the available balance of your digital wallet. Next to your available balance, you will also see a profile icon. When clicking this, you are presented with additional information. Let's click this now. This presents you with your user ID, the email that you signed up with, your name on the account, settings options, and an FAQ. Now that we've had a look at the desktop website version of Skrill and we've walked you through the sign up process, let's take it one step further and let's open up the mobile phone application for Skrill. Skrill is available on the App Store and the Google Play Store. Once inside your App Store, click and download the official Skrill application. Once the app is downloaded to your mobile phone device, open the application. The first screen that will appear will be the notification screen. Skrill is asking you if you would like to be notified about any changes within your Skrill account. These notifications will appear on your phone screen and will notify you of things such as incoming payments or outgoing payments that have been made from your Skrill account. I'm using iPhone, and for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to enable notifications. The next screen is asking if you would like to log in to your Skrill account that you already own, or if you would like to register to create a new account. Because we have already created a Skrill account, we're going to select Log In, and we're going to enter the details that we used when we registered our Skrill account. When logging into your Skrill account for the first time, you will be asked if you would like to enable Touch ID. This is for those users of mobile phones that already have Touch ID enabled. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to log in using Touch ID, as I have this enabled on my iPhone. If you do not, you click the alternative option, which is Use PIN to log in. And of course, if you have any struggles or questions about this process, you can always comment down below so I can help you with this process. When enabling Touch ID, you will still be asked to set a PIN, as this is the first time we're logging in to our account via the application. This also provides another layer of security. Think of this as a two-step verification process. The more security and passwords you have on your account, the harder it is for hackers to gain control of your account. Enter a number combination for a PIN that you will remember, and confirm this to gain access to your Skrill account. Congratulations, you now gained access to your Skrill account. But what can we do within the Skrill phone application? We're going to have a look around. You can see that there is currently no money within my Skrill account, and by scrolling down you can see that there is no history of transactions within my Skrill account. We are currently viewing our Skrill dashboard, and you can see this by the icon that is highlighted in the the menu down below. But there's something very interesting in the middle of this menu. You can see that it says crypto. Let's click crypto to see what happens next. After we've clicked crypto, we have a warning message. This is Skrill taking responsibility for the service that it provides. The Skrill wallet is also a crypto wallet, meaning that you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. But buying and selling cryptocurrency has its risks. This is because of the way the blockchain operates. Once you send a transaction of cryptocurrency, it becomes a part of what is called the blockchain. Transactions are grouped into blocks, and once that block becomes a part of a chain of blocks, imagine you're stacking Jenga blocks. When there are at least 5 to 6 Jenga blocks on top of your block in which your transaction information is contained, this transaction can no longer be recovered. Meaning, if you send your cryptocurrency to the wrong address, you cannot get a refund. If you would like me to deliver more information about cryptocurrency and the blockchain, I can do so. Comment down below if you'd like me to teach you more about the blockchain and or different types of cryptocurrency. Or click the card above now so that you can learn about cryptocurrency on a website known as Coinbase, which is a cryptocurrency exchange. You can see by the interface provided by Skrill that Skrill takes crypto trading seriously, as it provides the market value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency that you can trade with the application. This allows you to have a look at the current margin of the currency that you are buying or selling within Skrill. Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum and Stellar Lumen are among just a few of the cryptocurrencies available within Skrill. Now let's have a look at the deposit section of Skrill. Easily deposit money into your Skrill account using various credit and debit cards. As well as credit and debit card, there are other payment methods that you can use for Skrill, and each payment method has its limits, meaning the amount that you can deposit into your Skrill account daily. This is a brilliant layout, and it's why Skrill is a standout service. This is a very honest approach to a digital wallet, as you are given the amount of time typically a payment to Skrill takes when using these payment methods. It's also valid to mention and very impressive that credit and debit card payments to a Skrill account are instant and only cost a 1% fee. Depositing money to your Skrill account is sending money to your Skrill account yourself. But what about if you would like to send money to somebody else? Let's click on the send icon in the menu. Here's where things get even more impressive. If you select the Skrill To Scroll option, you will be saying to somebody that you are trying to send them money via Skrill. If they have a Skrill account, this will go through instantly. But if they don't have a Skrill account, Skrill will send them a sign-up link in order for them to sign up to Skrill and receive the money that you are sending to them. And this is worldwide and instant. No matter where you are in the world, if you live in India, Russia, Italy, maybe Lithuania, Malta, Sweden, Norway, Jamaica, Africa, Spain, France, Bulgaria, anywhere worldwide, the person you are sending the money to will be able to receive this money via Skrill and instantly. Skrill also has an international payment transfer that you can make to bank accounts, to international bank accounts. But this is not instant, it's fast, and also comes with an international exchange rate. Yet this is impressive because there are no transaction fees. Then of course there is the withdrawal part of the menu, but of course we have no current balance, so we can't withdraw if we don't have money within our Skrill account. But this is where you would withdraw your account balance to a bank account. If you would like to get started with Skrill today, I will be leaving my referral link in the description of this video. Click that referral link, go straight to the official Skrill website or download link, and you can get started with Skrill today. If this video was helpful to you, give me a thumbs up, but of course hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified about new videos that I upload here to my YouTube channel. And remember to stay to the end of every video, as I will always have another video or a playlist relating to the video that you're watching now. So if you've made it to this part of the video, you are most likely 100%, 102%, 200, 1000% going to want to watch the next video or playlist that I have linked in the end card of the video. And with that said, that end card is coming up right now. Click on that little playlist or the video that I've left you, because it's going to be as good, or if not better, than this one. So I'll see you in the next video or within the playlist that I've created for you.